Lagos is now projecting 40,000 building approvals every year. But wait, what does that really mean for you as a land or property owner? This move shows that the government is getting serious about proper urban planning and compliance. For years, many buildings in Lagos went up without approvals, leading to demolitions, collapses, and endless disputes. But now, with the target of 40,000 permits yearly, Lagos wants to make sure every new project is legal, traceable, and safe. This also means the process of getting your permits is being digitized and simplified. No more excuse like, I no get time for Alawusa. If you are building or planning to build, this is your chance to do it right. Submit your plans, get your building approval, and join the legal side of development. Remember, getting approval is not stress. Rebuilding after demolition is. Follow Build Right with Philip. I will guide you through the process of obtaining your building approval and protecting your investment the right way. I remain your favorite town planner, Philip Adebayo. Thank you.